Hi lovely people, how are you? Well, if you read from my description, I'm going to be unboxing the April 2018 Ricky's Colt Crushes. This is one of my top 3 subscription boxes I truly love. And if you don't know, today at noon Eastern Time, if you live in the US, they have the opening for the waiting list for Ricky's Colt Crushes. As I'm recording this right now, it is about 2:30 in the afternoon. They still had some available, but if you would like, I would definitely get it before it sells out, and then you may not be able to get it for a couple more months. Okay, so if you don't know, this is $11 a month subscription. For the US, I do know it's free. And one thing I do like about this, if you are a member, a subscriber for their subscription box, they have a website, the new NYC. I know they have a store in New York, but I forget exactly what it's called on the website under Ricky's Colt Crushes. They do have a big store that you can get a whole bunch of stuff, and you do get 25% off. Right at checkout, it definitely takes it off. I had actually purchased stuff from there, so I know it does work. And I really do like this. For $11, you can't beat this. So, enough of my babbling. Let's open it up. Now, I did open this up, and I do know what's in here because on here, it does say what everything is, but it doesn't come with prices. And I wanted to look it up, let you guys know the prices and the value of the box so you know if it's worth it to you, if this is something that you would like to get. Okay. So the first thing that I see on here is these nails. Now these are Nail Her. These are a set of nails in the ghost style in oval, and they are $15.99. Now I don't really wear fake nails. I mean, you're lucky if I even paint them, but my daughter wears them, so this will go to her, and she's going to love this because that's the style now, like the stilettos or like that oval shape like that. So, okay, moving on. The next thing we got is a full size is Burt's Bees Micellar Cleansing Towelettes. So I've never tried the Burt's Bees kind, and this would be $5.99. And then we have a little sample here. This is, what is this? It says Moonlit Skincare Midnight Shift Oil Sample. So it's like a facial oil. I mean, this is a very small sample. But, so I don't know a price on that. I just consider that free. But what I'm most excited about, this is the Pinky Rose Bright Lights palette that is $24.99, so 25 bucks. And everything that comes in these subscription boxes, you can get on their website. And so if there's something that you didn't get, like a different type of palette, you can go on their website and you can get 25% off. So that's amazing. And Pinky Rose is an indie brand. I've never tried any of their palettes, so that's what it looks like. I do know on the site they have a Brights ones, which is this, and they have a more neutral one. So that's what it looks like when you take it off of the outer packaging. All right, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, this is really pretty. So I'm going to bend it back because it does come with a mirror, but holy cow, is that beautiful. So you have 3 glitters, and I think the rest are mattes. No, you have 2 like satin shades, and then the rest are mattes. So let's just get, oh, let me tell you this before I forget. So the total value for this box this month is $46.97. So almost $47, and you only paid $11. So let's just swatch. Oh, look at the glitters. Okay, so you're going to definitely have to use a glitter glue for this, but look how pretty. Wow. So there we go for that. Now I didn't do really good swatches because I don't want to get glitter all over the place because I don't have glitter glue with me. But let's just swatch a few. I am just going, oh, they're nice and creamy. Let's see. Let's see. So these are the mattes, a couple of the mattes I just took. These are really pretty. Look at that. Love it. And then there are 2 shimmer shades. Oh, one of them fell out. The glitter. Let me finish swatching, and I'm going to flip this over and see. They are the shimmer shades. If they fall out, I hope not. And there we go. So that's not too pigmented, but that is purple, and purple is but it is buildable, so that's pretty. But I'm really upset about that. Let's see. You ready? Well, that's not good. It's the glitter shades that fell out, and I don't know if they're magnetic. If they are, well, I'll probably either glue this back down or put them in a magnetic case. Well, that's disturbing. So be careful. Do not hold this upside down. But anyway, I do love this subscription. Let me know in the comments below, were you able to get this subscription? Did you want to get this? What do you think about this box? And if you got this in, did yours fall out as well? All right, guys, until my next video. Oh, I keep forgetting. I do have a giveaway going on until the 30th of this month. I will leave it right here. You just click on that little box that you see with my giveaway. Right here, you will see a face, and you just click that, and you can subscribe. And over here, I'll just throw in another video in case you want to see more of me. All right, guys, until my next video. Bye.